feeling good like I choose always. You know, I wake up in a...
That's the truth. Good luck. Spin harder. How's that? Not enough? 20.
More bonus 3,000 players wins because Eliza the Queen is in the house. I wish you good luck. Last crazy time with 25-20 and a 200x. Not bad at all. Hey, Eliza. Hi there, beautiful people. Guzzy, how are you doing? All right, let's get ready. Yoo-hoo! I'm feeling good like I choose always. You know, I wake up in the morning feeling bright all day and pachinko with a 20x. Make me as a queen, please, baby. Give me pachinko with a 20x. Show me the real. Show me who's the real queen. Give me pachinko with a 20x. Come on, baby. Just move on. Move on. Move on. And that's a pachinko with additional multiplier 20x. Woo! I love you guys. I love you. I told you the queen is in the house. I will take that hot. I cannot believe my eyes now, you know. I do feel my heartbeats. What to do? The minimum is a 5x, but that will be 20x. Woo! Let's have some fun. Give me the golden. 25, 40, 100, and the double. 20 times, ladies and gentlemen. That means 2,000 is the highest. I'm going up there. I do see the... Can we actually double the fun? Imagine how fun it would be. Guys, are you ready? I'm going to drop it like it's hot, guys. I love you. Any multiplier will be good here. Any multiplier is good here. But give me the 1,000. Give me the double. Come on. That looks so perfect. Give me the double. Come on, baby. Oh! I feel the biggest win. I feel the biggest win. Let's double the fun. Yeehaw! I love you, baby. I love you, baby. I love you. I want to drop it like it's hot. Come on. Let's do it. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Tell me, how does it look? 4,000x is the highest. Give me another double R. Give me the 1,000x. Come on, baby. Another double. Another double. Come on. All right. Woo! This time, 280x multiplier. It could be better. It could be worse. Let's be thankful. 280x multiplier, guys. 2 point. Woo! 35,000 euro win for the top winning. I cannot believe it. I cannot believe my eyes.
Come on, mighty fields. Yes, listening. Very carefully. What did I say? Good luck. Good luck. Good luck. Good luck. So yeah, quite a sheet of numbers we're having lately. Somewhat about 11 numbers in a row at the moment. Yeah. If I remember how to count correctly, that's the truth. Good luck. Spin harder. How's that? Not enough? 25x cash hunt. Oi boy, oh boy, oh boy. There's a 24/7 special on a cable channel. Ray J went straight to the radio station the very next day. Hey, Bab. Let's come up to supersonic speed. Anyway, so what do we have? We have like 5 5s in 11 rounds. 30 time coin flip, 5 1s, and 5 2s. Yo, we got them. We just got ourselves 25x cash hunt. But first, let me take a selfie. Boy, record right here. You see that? Minimum 100x, 25. That's 2.5k minimum, boy. Where's the 100x? There's a 100x there, but you know it's not 100x. Look at this, some magic, some magic. All magic. Boom! 2.5k x multiplier right there, ladies and gentlemen, to the 100x instead. Boom, baby. Let's go. 1875. Is that like 75x? You know, 1875. It's 25x cash in. Finally, my biggest record before that was a 1500. Now it's a 2500, right, ladies and gentlemen? Now, you do it. It's a minimum. What's it? 10x minimum here, right? 250? Yeah, get the money. Throw it in the furnace. Get the thing with funny. Burn it just to burn it. Swag stripping from me. Good luck to you, ladies and gentlemen. Come on. Marry me? Oh. I'll think about it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, decision time is coming to an end. Come on. Check this out. See that? Just memes. Look at this multi somewhere. I cannot find that. 28 players on that 2500x multiplier. 4,330 now winners. Paulus at the top of the 50,000 euro and to the 37,000 crazy with 27,000 and sorry.
Video 45. Finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTC HS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.
Somebody like me. Somebody like me.